Welcome to 28 Northway Drive here in Springfield. This ranch proves that great homes aren't about size, they're about care. Loved by the same owners for over 60 years, this home blends old school charm with modern updates. With major expenses already taken care of, all that's left is for you to make this home your own. Let's go check it out. I'm Mark, your favorite local realtor. If you've been looking for a home that feels cared for the moment you walk in, the number below is your shortcut to a private tour.